my dear viewers. This is Gagan Priya live from the South India's largest printing exhibition, Bharat Print Expo 2026, the very second edition happening at Chennai. With this edition, we also introduce the Sprint and Path Perspective, where we are gathering with some great professional industry leaders and letting their perspectives know about this printing industry. Today, we have a very special guest who has joined us in this episode, Mr. Arjav Hansoti,
Thank
the
you.
director from S. Kumar Group.
Yes.
Welcome to the
Thank
show,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
So, in this space, where in the packaging landscape, S. Kumar has been a very strong part where they have played their role in FMCG and a critical niche in pharmaceuticals as well. What we have known is S. Kumar has developed themselves in such a way where they do not leave a room for any errors at all. In this light, I would like to ask, sir, how did S. Kumar evolve from the day one to today, what it has become?
So at S. Kumar, now we are not just a manufacturing-led company. We're actually becoming a solution-led company. So we want to help our customers in optimizing costs, bring faster deliveries, and also something help make packaging into a marketing campaign.
So it's more of you're letting them to do way more beyond what they can
Yes,
actually
yes.
operate into. So when did you realize that packaging is more than just a supporting element of a product?
So I think a lot of people know that most of your FMCG products are manufactured at a third-party facility. So if you see two products, they're the exact same products, they're manufactured at the same facility, but one has a better shelf appeal. So that's when I knew packaging plays a very important role. Because, jo dikhta hai, wahi bikta hai.
Right. Jo dikhta hai, wahi bikta hai. Which is like, evergreen and yet proving every time
Yeah.
the true statement. So what did your early customers, maybe when you were young, even way before, or with your dad as well, what is something your early customers teach you that still shapes your business today?
What I learned from my dad for this actually is reliability. Customers want consistency in terms of quality, in terms of delivery timelines, and most importantly, if there's any problem, you have to respond. You cannot go you can't just shy away.
Right.
You have to solve the problem. So that's when customer actually respects you more, and that's how you build a longer term relationship with them.
Very true. So,
Yeah.
so the more you're open about, the more you
Yes.
take the accountability, the more you're going
Yes.
to have the best commitment and
Yes.
loyalty towards your customers. Now let us zoom out a little. Let's put the light on the as industry as a whole. What is the biggest shift so that you have seen in the packaging industry over the last 5 years?
One is sustainability,
Absolutely.
and second is premiumization.
Hmm.
So customers want sustainable
Packaging.
labels, cartons, everything wherever it's possible. And right now, premiumization is the new thing. Everyone wants. If you see the whole expo, it's all about embellishments.
Right.
Yeah. So
Absolutely.
yeah, that's about it.
So these are the two
Yes,
major shifts that
yes.
we have seen in the last 5 years. When you said, sir, that the brands these days or the customers these days are very much into sustainability, so how real is the push towards that?
It's real. We keep getting questions all the time about sustainability. However, there is some infrastructure challenges or cost challenges.
Absolutely.
So it's not 100%, but yeah, we are getting there. Yeah.
So we are in developing.
Developing mode. So I would say it's evolving.
Oh, very fair way to put
Yeah.
that, Kenya. So one trend that you're excited about and one you think is overhyped.
One trend that I'm excited about is digital.
Okay.
Use of variable QR codes, anti-counterfeit, and obviously premiumization, which I said earlier. And the one that is overhyped is I want 100% sustainable product,
Right.
which is not possible.
Which is not possible.
Yeah.
Absolutely, because there are some elements, certain
Yes.
restrictions. So do you kind of explain that to your customers, like why
Yes.
you're not able to?
We
switch
try
that?
to. People who are in this space, they know about it, that it's not possible. But yeah, but sometimes gets difficult to explain
Explain it to
to all these startup customers. Yeah.
Because they have already this idea that
Yes.
we are way
Yes.
way ahead. So I
Yes.
think we get it.
Yes.
Okay. Now, A little bit about S. Kumar, I would like to know, sir, and even our viewers are interested for that. So, what truly differentiate S. Kumar products in the crowded market?
Speed,
Hmm.
flexibility, and again, accountability.
Accountability.
We have been working with the smallest of startups and the largest of customers,
Hmm.
and no customer is too big or too small for us.
Right. That's true.
Yeah.
That's very true. So S. Kumar is definitely positioned into like you get things at the right time with
Yeah.
very much of accountability. Whatever happens, I'm going to take care of
Yes.
it. No worries.
Yes.
Okay. So what drove your expansion into new segments like monocartings?
I think the requirement of customers. Customers nowadays want a single point for all their packaging needs because one is color consistency. When they have two vendors, so a monocarton is a different color and a label is a different color. So they don't want that. So they want one single stop where both the colors get okay. Yeah. So we are responsible for both their packaging.
So taking
And yeah, so recently, last few years, we've seen a lot of monocarton manufacturers come into labels, and we've gone the other way because we started labels first. So, yeah.
That is interesting. So you're
That's-
actually at the intersection point where you
Yes.
handle both the
Yes.
end of the customer.
Yes, that's helping us grow in terms of just adding business through existing clients itself. So that's good.
Yeah, it's like both
Yeah,
the ways you
yeah,
get to know
yeah,
the segments
yeah.
as well. When it is about S. Kumar, what's more critical in your operations, technology, people, or process? You're like very particular about this.
I would say process. Technology and people are still important, but without the right process, with the right systems in place, I think everything will fall apart.
Absolutely. So the beginning or the important foundation you would say is process.
Process. Yes.
Okay. So when we move forward in the future,
Yeah.
let's think about the future outlook, how it is. What will packaging look like in the next 5 years?
Packaging is going to look sustainable, digital in terms of integrated with a lot of things. Now you see a lot of AI is there.
Absolutely.
So
right.
something or the other will come. I'm not too sure about it. But yeah, so I think sustainable and digital is going to be very important.
They are gonna be there.
Yeah,
for sure.
traceability is very important, anti-counterfeit system because a lot of copies happening. Yeah.
Absolutely. So when you said process is very important, and then you had technology in your story as well. In the industry outlook, how is technology reshaping the whole business system?
Well, first of all, the systems automation is helping us, be more efficient. The planning is better.
Right.
It's reducing waste,
Very true.
and everything is much faster.
True.
Yeah.
That's very much
Yes.
required because
Yes.
what we completed a decade, it just
Yes.
feels like yesterday.
Yes.
So
yes.
to match with the time, we definitely need the efficiency to be
Yes.
higher. True. So do you see the industry in future consolidating or becoming more specialized?
I think both.
Hmm.
I think I see all the major players still consolidating,
Mhm.
but there will be some small or niche players who will still focus on specialization.
So we have diverse.
Diverse,
amount of-
yes.
okay. Well, S. Kumar, what is your next big milestone for your company?
Right now is just to grow in scale
Hmm.
and want to look more into all the traceability options, the anti-counterfeit systems, variable QR. We're already working on it, but we need to be more into the security features.
So the next milestone could be more of into scale and security features.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a rapid fire section where it will be very quick ones. One word to describe the packaging industry.
Exciting.
Excited. Biggest myth about manufacturing.
It's not just about machines. Everyone can have a machine, but the people and your systems are more important.
Very much important. Speed or perfection?
Speed with controlled quality.
Control. Okay. One failure that taught you the most.
We took up a business, like a job, which we thought we could do, but it was not possible. And that just lost our trust with the customer. So Yeah, just think about it before you take a job which
So the learning was what was the learning from
be confident in what you are
do?
in your capability in what you can do.
Very true. So
Yeah.
becoming more specialized in what we know we are very much good at. Very true. So yes, that was Mr. Arjav Hansoti with us at Print and Pack Perspective. Hope you enjoyed this conversation and did had a good handful of insights from it. Until then, this is Priya signing off from Bharat Print Expo.